viewers, subscribers, Saturday, me at work. When I look, me see my engine light come on and my radiator light come on. Me stop, check, no coolant down in the car. So me get some water and me throw it in. And I say, you know what? I'm gonna head straight to the radiator man. So reach at the radiator man and him check and him say the top part of the radiator bust and it a cost almost an arm and a leg. So him say if me can take it off and carry it come game, it will cost me much cheaper. That's why I tell every motorist it's good when you can help yourself, because you don't know when you're gonna need your assistance. So I'm here taking off my radiator. It's not hard, but it's not easy. But at the same time, you have to have some knowledge to do what you do. Alright, so please watch this video, like it, comment, share, and in this video, once you watch it, you will understand certain things to deal with car, because a lot of people is on the road right now and they are driving for many years and them don't know nothing about a motor vehicle. Some motorists don't even know how to change a tire, and I'm not talking about just a woman alone. See, you have some guys also, they are in the same position. Watch out, a screw drop down at the bottom. Luckily I have my little long mad nick where we can just use and take it out. Alright, so do watch the video. Alright, go and see what me do.
Yeah, me know real love now. From the day I meet you, me change. You don't know, she are the real one. Me no need none. Had enough girl, but she are the queen. Come hold me down when the days get cold. Even when my low, she never fall. Push my dreams like a coach on the side. Wipe my tears and me there for the ride. You see that kind of love that's hard to find. She are the real one, forever mine. Used to live wild, girl in a line, but none never stay, none never shine. Till we meet you, you're something divine. Heart and soul, girl, you're real all the time. You never care about fame or flaws. You believe in me when the world wrote me off. When the stress out of my mind, them lost. You taught me calm, like you're born for this cross. She are the real one, me no need none. Had enough girl, but she are the queen. Come hold me down when the days get cold. Even when me low, she never fall. Push my dreams like a...
After me remove the radiator, me discover say one of the hose it attached from the radiator to the transmission. The whole of that bust up. So if this never happened, this would have happened. So me decided say me have to change the two of them as well. So me head to the radiator man and leave it to them. So him there do some work on other radiator. So him say if I give him a couple hours and then me come back. And within like say 3 hours it up and ready. Yeah man. So I hope you like the video. You know, if you don't like it yet, please like my channel. Alright, like my video. Subscribe to my channel. See here, a brand new hose I put on also. And I see this hose, it's a gas hose. Yes man, like where you cook with, because I test it. I put one of the normal hose with the radiator and I test it with the gas hose. I put the two of them in a boiling hot water and I tell you say the gas hose come out victoriously. Yeah man, the next one after a certain temperature it get weak, but the gas hose stand firm. So I decided to use this gas hose. Every motorist have to learn something. You understand? About a motor vehicle. Once in a drive, I have to learn something, man. A lady broke down out a hero circle. Her car puncher. And she decided say she nah go change it. So me stop and I tell her, say, Hero, I'm gonna help you change the tire. So I go in the car, take out her lug tool and her jack, and I crack her lug them and I tell her to change it. She's upset, but I tell her, say, sister, you have to learn, because if it was night and you alone there, you'd have to rim it or you change it. And after she did it and she'll do it, I mean, I oversee her, I'm show her some things what to do. And you know, after when she done, she look at me and say, "Why, sir, I tell her I'm driving for almost 8 years, and this are the first thing I learn from me I drive till now. Thanks." The lady tell me thanks after she the vex. Yeah, man. Saying, so I tell you, it was a good day. Alright? So please remember, like, comment, share my channel. Alright? So I install back everything now. So when I do now, I go throw the coolant back in it, and then we get a test run. Alright? Yeah, man. So see you on the next video. Peace, love, prosperity.
Heart and soul, girl, you real all the time. You never care about fame or flaws. You believe in me when the world wrote me off. When me stress out of my mind, them lost. You talk me calm, like you're born for this cross. She are the real one, me no need none. Had enough girl, but she are the queen come. Hold me down when the days get cold. Even when me low, she never fall. Push my dreams like a coach on the side. Wipe my tears and me day I feel the right. You see that kind of love that hard for find. She are the real one, forever mine. You never envy, you never compare. You just deal with me, you always care. But can feel 10 times, you still there. Like nanny of the maroon, strong and rare. When my broke, you say money will come. My goals get heavy, but I never run. You know hype and gram, but we're proud for post you. Me empress real, my life feel closer. Girl, you inspire me, lift my higher. Me used to burn bridges, now me build empire. Love you for your soul, not just satire. 1 in a billion, my heart supplier. She are the real one, me no need none.